Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play YouTube music on Discord. So first, choose any server that you want to add the music. Click on the name of the server and click App Directory. From here, go to the search bar and type Jockey and click this one. So just click Add App and make sure to choose the server and click Continue. Authorize. Now we added the bot to our Discord server. Now go to the server. As you can see, the jockey music is now added here. So to add music here, just type it this one and exclamation point space play and paste on the link of the YouTube music that you want to add here. Like that one. Click enter. And here you can see that I already added my preferred music from YouTube. Let's play it to see. And that's it. That's how you easily play a YouTube music on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.